After removing the garland from the package, you want to lay it flat facing one side. Then take the center tab to flip over the garland in half and lay it flat on both sides. Each garland has 10 tassels, and each tassel has 2 sheets of paper, one white and one iridescent. Remove 2 pieces of tissue paper to begin making a tassel. To make the tassel for the garland, we do recommend having the white tissue on top. Simply roll it down the middle, away from you. Tighter the better. Just like that. When you reach the end, you are then going to twist the middle tightly on each side. And then you will, holding the 2 sides, twist to make a loop. Once you have your loop, you're going to hold the center, take the 2 sides, and twist tightly around. As you can see, you have the shape of a tassel. To secure your loop, you'll grab the included clear rubber bands and simply wrap it around the base of the loop. And then you're done. Once you have created all 10 tassels, you can begin stringing your tassels on the ribbon included. As you see here, we have already placed 9 tassels on the ribbon. To string the tassel, simply take the ribbon and put it through the loop you created. And there you have it. If you'd like to hang your garland on the table as photoed, we included a table clamp that can be used to hang the garland on your table or secure your tablecloth to your table. To prepare the ribbon to go on the table clamp, you're going to take the tail end of the ribbon and put it on top of the longer part of the ribbon. Just like that, and you have an X. You will then go through the middle of your loop, grab the long part of the ribbon over top the X, pull it through the middle, grab the tail end, and pull both sides tightly at the same time. And there you have your loop. To secure your garland to the table using the table clamp, simply open the hinged arm, place the loop over top, and there you have it. To attach the table clamp to your table, simply pull down the hinged arm and place it underneath the rim of your tabletop, just like that. Once you've attached the clamps to the table, this will be your finished look.